Alright, first, I made this fire pit, and what I did is I built it out of stones so that they won't burn, and then I surrounded the whole area with sand to make it so it's fireproof. And of course I have a big bucket of water here just in case, that way I can put the fire out if I need to. And I'll show you what I've done here. Okay, so first I started making a pile here in the middle, and what this is bamboo straw here, and then I started laying some sticks around it. Let me show you how that works here. So over here I have my giant bamboo. So you can see this is a stand of giant bamboo, goes all the way up to the sky. And this bamboo drops the bamboo straw. You can see that's this stuff right here. And this is really good for starting fires with because it crunches up into real fine material and it's really dry and good for burning. So I got a big pile of that earlier, and then every day, most days, I pick up sticks because sticks fall in the forest. So that's my big stick pile right there. And earlier I took some sticks from the stick pile and I moved them over to where the fireplace is over here. So I've got my sticks, I've got my water, I've got my fire pit. I'm ready to go. So first thing I have to do is I have to make sure that I've got my kindling there. That's the bamboo straw, all underneath those really small sticks. So you want to start out with really small sticks. And what I'm going to do is break off a few more. And let's see here. That one's a little big. And you lay them down, but you want to lay them down so that air can get in there. So you need air to get in there because you can't have a fire without, just like people, fires need to breathe. So they need air and they need something to burn. So I've got the little sticks on top of the kindling. I have my bigger sticks ready to go. So once the fire gets going, we can add some fuel to it. And normally I'd use a match because I'm kind of old-fashioned. But today, since I only have one hand, because I'm using the phone with the other hand, I have a regular old Bic lighter. So let's see what happens here. And that's it. You see how that bamboo straw just goes right up? And if we did it right, it's going to catch the sticks. Let's see here. Looking good so far. Let's see if I have to blow on that at all. It's looking like it's catching a little bit. You gotta be careful, you don't want to get your hands burnt. But Daddy's been doing this a long time. Now I'm going to take a slightly bigger stick here and lay it on. And what the idea is you go from little sticks to slightly bigger sticks to slightly bigger sticks, and then once it really gets going, you can put on a log. And you can see I got an old log on the bottom there from a fire that I did a couple of weeks ago. And there we go. The beginnings of a nice little campfire. And what we'll do is we'll keep adding sticks until we get a nice good fire going, and then let it burn down so we get some hot coals, and then it's time to cook the chickens. Well, that's it, my bumblebee. That's how we make our campfire. Hope you liked the video, and love you, buddy. I'll see you soon.